Hi there. Today we're looking at using an online editor. You have to open your online induction or your company policy to be able to use the editor. The editor consists of three areas: content pages, questions, and answers. Let's look at each area individually. Part 1. Content pages. These pages should contain content of your online induction. Text, images, hyperlinks, videos, and audio files can all be added to your online induction. Part 2. Questions. You may choose to test your inductees. You can do so by setting up questions and answers. Scroll down to the question text box and type in your question. Part 3. Answers. The answers to your question should be inserted here. If you need to add more answers, click on the Add Answer button. Select the answer type, checkbox or input box. Checkbox answers is your typical multiple answer, while input box allows your inductee to enter their own answer. Online induction settings. Once you have completed editing your online induction, let's have a look at some of your induction settings. Click on Settings. Setting 1. When this setting is on, the system will force inductees to select correct answer, and the system will not let your inductee proceed any further with the induction until the question is answered correctly. Setting 2. Selecting Send Notification on completion will send automated notification emails to admin on each successful induction completion. Setting 3. Selecting Send Notification on fail will send automated notification emails to admin on each failed induction. Setting 4. Selecting Allow inductee to retry on fail will allow inductees to retry failed inductions. Setting 5. Selecting Show in Self-Service Portal will display your online induction in your online portal. Setting 6. Pass percentage is the pass score for your online induction test. Setting 7. Related to employee type will assign the induction to a particular employment type. You may choose to run different online inductions for various employment types. Setting 8. All certificates expire in 1 year by default. You can choose the expiration date to be between 6 months to 5 years maximum. Thanks for watching.